Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about how I made my DIY aloe vera oil and deep conditioner. The aloe vera I'm gonna be using, maybe you don't need this much. It depends on how much you actually need. So yeah, I'm gonna be using all this for my aloe vera oil and deep conditioner. I'm going to use my knife to cut it into small pieces like that before I blend it. It's really satisfying. I did that for almost 15 minutes. So now I'm going to pack the aloe vera into my blender and blend it. I'm not going to add any water. I'm going to pour it in my pan and start cooking it on a low heat. I'm going to cook it until all this white foamy stuff fully disappears. Now I'm going to add my oil. I'll be using my grapeseed oil and almond oil. You can use any oil of your choice like coconut oil or olive oil. After adding the oil, I'm going to let it cook for extra 2 minutes. Then I'm going to take it down. Now for my deep conditioner, I'm going to cut the aloe vera and remove the gel part of it with my knife. The gel part is what you need. That's the white part of the aloe vera. After that, I'm going to put it into my blender and blend it smoothly. Then I'm going to filter it. This is going to help you get a very clear gel without any chunk of aloe vera in it. I'm going to add my coconut oil and mix it together. You can leave it like that if you don't want to add any oil, and you can also add any oil of your choice, any oil that you like, okay? Now I'm going to use my filter to separate the oil from the aloe vera. If you use this cooking method, there might be water from the aloe vera mixed with the oil. It's totally fine. You can leave it in, or you can let the oil settle down and try to separate the oil from the water. So that is what I did. So it took me some minutes to be able to separate the water from the oil, but I finally did, and this is how the oil came out. So this is all the oil I got, but for some people they decide to leave the water and the oil together. It's no different actually. It's cool, but I just wanted everything to be oil without any water. Now on how to use it, I kept the deep conditioner in my fridge 3 days before I used it. It's really cold. I'm going to put it in my microwave to melt it before I apply it on my hair. I'm going to apply it all over my hair, then I'm going to leave it for 30 minutes before I wash it off. So guys, this is all for this video, and I hope you enjoy watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it. Thank you so much. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.